morning and welcome to our final summer edition of Monday Morning Quilting Quickies. I have had a blast doing these, and by the comments and the emails that I'm getting, I think you are too. This was kind of a summer program for us, Monday Morning Quilting Quickies, so this is the finale of it. Rest assured though, there will be something else coming down the pipes. However, we are going to take just a little break, but stay tuned to Pine Needles Quilt and Sew website, our Facebook page and everything, because there will be some more videos and there will be some more fun things for you to do. But appropriately, the quilt for today, and we made kind of a little bigger project for our finale, and it's called Summer's End. Very appropriately, Summer's End. I'm kind of on an angle thing if you've been watching. This is kind of a fun block, and I tell you what, this is easy, quick, fast to make. This can be a picnic blanket, throw in the back of your car. This isn't going to take you any time at all. The blocks are 12.5 inches for 12 inches finish. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make these. All we have to do is cut 3.5 inch strips and 6.5 inch strips. Now, that's it. Those two sizes. We're going to cut these, we're going to take them to our sewing machine, and we can do this whole thing with no pins. So for the 6.5 inch ones, we need the big half square triangle. So what I'm going to do here is, again, line this up. No, I'm not. And I'll show you why, because I'm going to only make one block. We're going to start here. So we have 6.5, 3.5 inches. I need to cut 3.5 inches here. And I need to cut it once. And I needed to cut it twice for one block. Easy peasy. The reason I didn't cut this one first is because I'm going to end up with an angled cut, and I didn't want to have to cut that off for this video. So line this up again. Remember the 6.5 inches, the straight line across the bottom. Simply, this is where we started with half square triangles. This is where we're kind of ending up to. So we need these out of this 6.5 inch strip, sorry. And then our 3.5 inch strip, we need to cut two 3.5 inch squares. So it'll be one of the light and one of the dark that's under here. So I'm going to cut one set of those. Put that up here, and then we need to cut two 3.5 inch half square triangles. Very easy to do. So that's it. This is what we need for this block, and that is all we need. Now I'm going to show you what we end up with. We end up with all these pieces, but then we're going to take them to our sewing machine and we're going to chain piece. So we're going to do these, we're going to do these, we're not going to do these, and then we're simply going to sew down one side of each of these. So you can do this all in one easy motion with your sewing machine, sew them all, cut them apart, and you're going to end up with this. And so we're going to line these up like this. So we have a diagonal here. And we're going to put one square here. And one square here. You see we got brown, beige, brown, beige, brown, beige. And then we want this to be brown, beige, brown, beige, brown, beige here. And this will be brown, beige here. That is your block. So I would sew these two together and sew it together here to make a 4 patch. And then I would sew these 4 together to make a 4 patch as well. Can it be any simpler? No pins, a great 12.5 inch block. Here's what it looks like all done. You can get this done in a long evening. You really can. 2.5 inch border and 3.5 inch. I didn't put the skinny one on this one because I wanted to get it done quickly. And I used half-yard cuts for all of this. You'll need some extra yardage for these two borders. And what I had left, you can see I made a scrappy binding with the leftover fabrics. So summer's coming to an end. This is our wonderful Summer's End Quilting Quickie finale quilt. We've had a great time. You can, there's a link for you to sign up for our weekly email, and then on Thursday you will get that in your mailbox. You will get this pattern for free. So thank you so much for being with us this summer. George is my video guy. He and I've had so much fun doing these, and you will see us back this fall. Just stay tuned to Pine Needles Quilt and Sew. Thank you so much, everybody. It's been a great time. Bye-bye.